Learning how to use Anydesk is something I figured out pretty quickly, and honestly, it's way simpler than I expected. You just go to anydesk.com, download the thing, and run the installer. So here's the deal. When it opens up, there's this 9-digit number at the top. That's your address, kind of like your computer's phone number. Anyone who wants to connect to your machine needs that number. Now, if you want to connect to someone else's computer, you type their number into that remote desk field and hit connect. They get a pop-up asking if they want to let you in, and once they click accept, boom, you're controlling their screen like it's your own computer. The toolbar up top has the stuff you'll actually use. That monitor icon switches you to full screen, which is nice when you're trying to focus. There's also this file transfer button that lets you move files back and forth without having to email them or mess with cloud storage. When you're done, just close the window. That's it. No complicated logout process or anything. Only after the first use, it will offer you to install Anydesk. You can install it for later use if you want. Here's something that took me a while to discover. You can set up a password so you don't need someone to accept your connection every time. Go to Settings, then Security, and set a password under Unattended Access. After that, you can just connect using the address and password whenever you want. Pretty handy if you're accessing your own computer from somewhere else, or helping family members who aren't great with technology. That's really all there is to it.